Hello, bro.
Hello.
I want to ask you a small question about our Indian education system.
Yeah, sure. Go for
What
it.
do you feel about our Indian education system?
I think Indian education system is, as of now, it's very nice for personal growth. But if you think about overall, but then it's all about like corruption and all this. Education system has been become business to this Indian. So yeah, as of now, it's not that nice.
Thank you. Hello, bro.
Hello.
I want to ask you one question.
Yes.
What challenge do you personally face in the Indian education system?
I think there are too many challenges faced by the Indian students.
Yes.
Some of them are like heavy focus on rote learning, exam-centric pressure, and there is the teacher more focus on attendance.
Yeah.
Like this.
Thank you, bro. Hello, bro.
Hello. Yeah.
I have a question for you. Do you think attendance should be compulsory for a student to perform well, or does learning matter more than attendance?
It should be not compulsory, and the students should be learn by their own self. Actually, attendance is not important in a class. Actually, India education is focusing only for attendance.
Okay.
Actually, the children can be learned from anywhere and anytime. Only they are focusing on the attendance.
Okay. Thank you, bro.
Hi, I have a question for you. Would you prefer exams in an open book style like some countries have award? Why or why not?
Yes, I would like to give an open book exam like other countries because it will help in the internals and more knowledge. So I think it's
Okay, thank you. Hi, I have a question to ask.
Yeah, sure.
What changes would you like to see in our Indian education system?
I feel like there should be better professors and lecturers in colleges and schools so that the quality improves. Okay. Thank you.
What changes would you like to make in Indian education system?
I think they have to more focus on the skills, not just on exams, and reduce the rat rates and exam pressure. And there should be a more practical than a book knowledge, because practical thing gives you knowledge of a learning life, how to live your life, and practical things is most important in your education. So